Welcome to Yoga with Natalie Marie. Today we're going to be working on meditation. So, once you've got on your mat, let's begin. So today we're gonna stay in a comfortable seat of your choice. Sit up nice and tall. Close your eyes. And then just begin to breathe deeply. Place your hands on your belly. Maybe rub your belly for a moment. And then keep your hands still. On your next inhale, breathe deeply into the belly. Feel it expand. And then exhale, feel it draw back into your spine. Let's do that 10 more times at your own pace. Try to breathe as deeply and fully as you possibly can. I lost count. After your 10th time, just come to stillness and just breathe normally. Notice any changes that have come to your body. Embrace them. And then imagine yourself in your favorite place. Maybe you came here because you just wanted a moment to just be still, to just be, honestly. Allow yourself to just be. Feel calmness sweep over you. And if you would like, you could stay here for as long as you would need. But if you're ready to be done, open the eyes. Maybe roll the neck a little bit. Allow yourself to just move. And then bring your palms to your heart and bow your head down. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that this meditation and breathing practice helped you calm any nervous energy and just allow yourself to be. And I hope that you can join me next time. Namaste.